Have you ever stopped and wondered why the sky is blue? I mean, really thought about it? It's something we see every single day, but the story behind that familiar blue is honestly one of the coolest examples of how nature and physics work together. So let's break it down. In plain English, no science degree required. First, sunlight might look white, but it's actually a mashup of all the colors you can imagine, a full-on rainbow packed into a single beam. Each color in that light has its own wavelength. Blue and violet have short, energetic wavelengths, while red and orange are more laid-back, longer waves. Now, when sunlight races toward Earth, it crashes into our atmosphere, that huge layer of gases wrapped around our planet. Most of that atmosphere is nitrogen and oxygen, with a little bit of argon and carbon dioxide thrown in for good measure. Here's the wild part. Those gas molecules are way, way smaller than the wavelengths of visible light. This is where Rayleigh scattering comes into play. Picture light as a bunch of tiny waves and the gas molecules as obstacles in their path. The small, energetic blue waves get bounced around in every direction by these tiny molecules. Red waves? They're bigger and just cruise on by, barely noticing. So, as sunlight passes through the atmosphere, blue and violet light get scattered all over the place. That's why, no matter where you look, you see blue coming at you from every corner of the sky. It's like the atmosphere is throwing a massive blue light party, and you're right in the middle of it. But here's a twist. If violet light scatters even more, why isn't the sky purple? Well, for starters, the sun doesn't send out as much violet as blue. And second, our eyes just aren't as good at catching violet light. Our brains are basically tuned to see blue as the main event, so that's what we get. Now think about sunsets and sunrises. When the sun hangs low on the horizon, sunlight has to trek through way more atmosphere to reach you. By the time it arrives, most of the blue and violet light has scattered away, leaving behind those gorgeous reds, oranges, and pinks. Even on hazy days when the sky looks washed out, it's because bigger particles like dust or water droplets scatter all the colors pretty evenly, so blue doesn't get special treatment. So next time you look up and see that endless blue, remember, it's not just a color, it's a daily, beautiful reminder that even the simplest things can have incredible science behind them. Sometimes answers to big mysteries are right above your head, literally.